You always want what you can't have, and while you have it.
Nvidia has opted to cease selling RTX 3080 and 3090 Founders Edition graphics cards on its online store. Instead, both cards will be sold directly by way of Best Buy for US users. This move follows Nvidia's recent RTX 3080 and 3090 graphics launches that meant the product was nearly impossible to buy. Due to supply issues, malfunctioning online retailers, and apparent bots getting to products before customers, many buyers were left high and dry just minutes after the cards rolled out. As a result, the GPUs have remained incredibly difficult to procure beyond retailers like eBay, where they continue to be sold at a massive markup. That's the apparent reasoning for the storefront switch, which Nvidia has never been relegated to before. According to Nvidia, the brand has heard your feedback regarding the Nvidia online store and are working to improve the experience. In the meantime, we will be selling our GeForce RTX 3080 and RTX 3090 Founders Edition through other partners, Nvidia said in a statement. In the US, you can shop for Founders Edition at Best Buy GeForce RTX 3080 and GeForce RTX 3090. In Europe, we continue to review Founders Edition fulfillment options. Currently, there are no further options for buyers to take advantage of in the US beyond Best Buy. European customers will simply be stuck waiting for an alternate route. Nvidia has admitted in the past that its supply issues with both of the GPUs will end up last until at least 2021. For anyone looking for a chance at purchasing one of the cards, however, Nvidia has noted that while Founders Edition units are indeed limited, more will still be available in the coming weeks. There was no specific date as to when to expect these cards given. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.